This video will not be politically correct and might get deleted, so make sure you watch it until the end before it gets taken offline. Today, I am going to expose the major secret used by an organization called the Brotherhood. This group of people has the secret knowledge of how to use the law of attraction. What that really means is learning how to use your brain as a transmitter and receiver of frequencies. I am going to reveal how to unlock the power of focus and use it to attract the things you desired into your life. According to Brotherhood, you could have, be, or do anything you wanted. The secret to success they revealed, which the elite class may not want you to know, is that it's all in the mind. You must have a burning desire, an obsession with making money, and constantly think about it. This major secret is what sets successful individuals apart. They have an unwavering focus on their financial goals. So, according to the Brotherhood, the importance of aligning your thoughts and intentions with your ambitions. By harnessing the law of attraction and maintaining a relentless focus on your financial aspirations, you have the ability to manifest and achieve the things you ever wanted in life. This revelation is the key to unlocking the potential within and creating the life you desired. This is the first time I am revealing information that really the privileged elite have kept to themselves. There's a missing element to the secret which describes the law of attraction. It is a very simplistically designed method to virtually turn your brain into a transmitter and receiver of frequency. This can virtually allow you to create in your life whatever you want, but the fact is when you're in, you actually learn how to, we call it manipulating energy. Another way to say it is you're taught how to use your brain and focus your frequency vibration to create in life what you want. You think about what you want with power and intensity. You must feel good about when you think about your goal. And the techniques that'll help you think about it all the time are getting pictures of what you want or what the money's going to give you. If you want lots of money to do a lot of things, looking at all the things that you could achieve if money wasn't an object, looking at that on a regular basis will help remind you to think about money. I'm bringing in money and feeling the anticipation and exhilaration as if you already have it. You become what you think about all the time, just looking at a picture over and over and over again, feeling good about looking at pictures of cars, jewelry, clothes, exotic locations you want to travel to. If money is your goal, having pictures on the ceiling when you go to bed so you can see them right before you go to bed at night, on the mirror when you wake up, on your house. The actual process of creating those pictures and those images keeps you focused on it and gets you excited and allows you to broadcast from your brain. The visor in your car, in your office, on your computer, so that you're looking at these things all the time. Having your dream book written out and reading those dreams of what you want throughout the day causes you to focus. See, in the beginning, you're doing this because it's the conscious competence level. Going dream building allows you to focus on things constantly, going out there in terms of money, dream building, looking at things, touching them, sitting in the car, feeling how you're going to feel when that car is yours, looking at homes, watching lifestyles of the rich and famous, Travel Channel without luxury yachts or whatever. Start expanding, and you may say, well, I'm watching luxury yachts, but I don't want one. Perfectly fine, but what you're saying is money is available, other people are getting money, your belief level goes up that it can happen. By doing this process, this makes sense. So about making millions, the success secret that they don't want you to know about is that it's all in the mind. When Andrew Carnegie, the richest man in the world, wrote the book Think and Grow Rich, and when Andrew Carnegie taught this information to Napoleon Hill, who wrote the book Think and Grow Rich, the name of the book was entitled Think and Grow Rich, not Work Hard and Grow Rich, not You Must Be Smart and Grow Rich, not You Must Know the Right People and Grow Rich. It was Think and Grow Rich because what Andrew Carnegie, the rich man in the world, taught Napoleon Hill was it's all about thinking. If people who are rich work hard, they're not working, They are doing what they love, they're enjoying every step. Carnegie, for example, at the turn of the century, he built U.S. Steel. A lot of people don't know he went to the office at 10 in the morning on a Monday. He'd leave at 4 in the afternoon. They didn't have telephones, Blackberries, laptops, so he did his business from 10 to 4, he took a lunch, and he went home and had dinner every night. All nights and weekends, he was not working. And in the summer, he took 3 months off, and he went to Scotland, and he did no work, no phones, no telexes, no fax machines, no emails, no instant messaging, no cell phones. He was somebody who, quote, did not put in a lot of physical effort, but he became the richest man in the world because he understood the power, because he was a member of the Brotherhood, that 99.9% of success is created in the mind. When you put out that vibration, it attracts itself into his life and creates people, circumstances, events, and situations to give you exactly what you want. Now, if you believe that you have to work 7 days a week, 20 hours a day to become successful, guess what? Then it's true. Henry Ford said it this way because he was also a member. He said, if you think you can or if you think you can't, either way you're correct. It's the thinking that makes it so. So, if you believe and you're putting out, well, you know you can't be successful unless you work really hard, that's the vibration you're putting out, which means the universe is going to give back to you and put in your life circumstances, events, situations, and people which will prove that you must work hard, long hours in order to be successful. If you put out, I know that the law of attraction works and 99.9% of making money is just thoughts, therefore I don't have to work that hard, and if I do put in a lot of hours, only because I'm absolutely enjoying it and loving every minute of it, but it's not required, then the universe will put into your life circumstances, events, and situations and people which will prove that that's true. Does that make sense? It is the thinking that makes it so 99% about making money. Is this technique? Now I'm going to give you a list of some things. These are some techniques, some methods, some strategies. Here are some of the how. None of these are required, none are required at all. But here are some things that you may want to think about and consider, hopefully raise your level of belief and cut down the curve, because now you'll have knowledge of some of the things that could be helpful to you. But these are not required to make money. The only thing that's required is what I just told you. Get a chief aim regarding money, focus on it, use the law of attraction. It's the secret that Napoleon Hill shared in the Law of Success. Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, Albert Einstein, every super successful person in the world uses that one technique. How much money you want, or a general amount of money you want, or a feeling about money, focus on it all the time. Become obsessed with it, get a burning desire for its achievement, and when you think about it, you feel great. You feel exhilaration and anticipation like it's already in a box, it's already in a present, it's got your name on it, it's under the tree, and when Christmas comes, it's yours. You know it, no one's taking it away from you, it's there. You just do that, and you'll get all your dreams coming true when it comes to finances. That's the key, that is the magic, that's the secret.